Hello everyone, this is Advocate Radhika Sharma, Associate with Lexis and Company. So today we're gonna discuss one more landmark judgment, which is Saira Banu versus Union of India 2017. Basically, the Saira Banu versus Union of India and others is a significant case in Indian legal history related to the practice of triple talaq. The case was filed by Saira Banu, a Muslim woman, challenging the constitutionality of the practice of triple talaq, which allows Muslim men to divorce their wives by pronouncing talaq 3 times. Saira Banu contended that the triple talaq violated her fundamental right guaranteed under the Indian Constitution, including the right to equality, dignity, and non-discrimination. The Supreme Court of India heard the case and constituted a 5-judge bench to examine the legality of triple talaq, and further that the court observed that triple talaq in its form of instant irrevocable divorce is arbitrary and goes against the principle of gender equality and justice. The court also held that the triple talaq is not an essential part of Islamic law and struck it down as unconstitutional by majority of 3/2. The majority judgment state that triple talaq has no basis in the Quran and is against the tenets of Islam. The court also observed that other forms of talaq such as talaq-e-Hasan and talaq-e-Hasan, which involve a period of reconciliation, are permissible. And the court directed the government to enact legislation to regulate Muslim divorce within 6 months, emphasizing the need for safeguard to protect women's rights. The judgment received mixed reaction, with some applauding it as a step towards gender justice and equality, while others criticized it for judicial interference in religious matters. This landmark judgment played a significant role in initiating a broader debate on personal laws in India and highlighted the need for gender just reform in family laws across different religions. So that's all about the Saira Banu versus Union of India. See you super soon in any other legal topics. See you guys. Thank you for watching us.